We can get millions of views with YouTube Shorts, but when it comes to ad revenue, it doesn't actually make us money. A Shorts video with 6,600 views earned me 5 Turkish liras on my other YouTube channel, while a regular video with 5,800 views earned me 110 Turkish liras. So how can we make money with YouTube Shorts? Actually, there are 4 ways to make money with YouTube Shorts. We already mentioned the first one, it's ad revenue, and it's not that lucrative. The second method is affiliate marketing. If you are wondering what affiliate marketing is, basically affiliate marketing is sales and marketing partnership. Basically, you become the middleman. All you have to do is to advertise a product, and when it gets sold, you get paid. I mean, affiliate marketing is something that most content creators and influencers do. Like, they show a product on their Instagram stories and they put a link, and when you buy that, they make money. Or again, on YouTube, they make a video about a product, they put their affiliate link under their videos. When you buy it, they make money, and they don't need to do something extra. That's why this is a great option, because with YouTube Shorts, we can get millions of views. We can reach out to millions of people. What you need to do is to share a product or a service and put your affiliate link in the description of the video. After that, when the people watching your video goes to your link and buys that product or service, you get paid without doing anything extra. But let's get to the real question here. Where will we find the products and do affiliate marketing? Obviously, you have many options here, but I will only talk about the 2 of them. First of all, you can use Digistore24 to find products. You can come here and you can choose the category that you want. Then you can find the products here, and you can find bunch of information about your product, like the average price of the product, the commission rate, how much you're gonna get for each sale. For example, this product's commission rate is 30%, and I will make 47 euros for every sale. You can see the vendor and so many more about the product. For example, this channel only takes, copies and pastes the TikTok videos of famous people, and he or she or they put the owner's name on the title, like TikTok x Jolie Vibes. Yeah, so they don't have any problems. And they get 14 million views per month. If they did affiliate marketing for $10 product, and let's say only 1,000 people bought that product, that means $10,000. And let's say the commission rate for the product is 30%. That means $3,000 per month. That's not bad at all. The third method is Sweatcoin. Actually, Sweatcoin is not a method in itself, it's an application, but I've seen a lot of people using Sweatcoin affiliate marketing, from Instagram pages to YouTube channels. This is because Sweatcoin offers a very reasonable offer. They don't want money from anyone. All they say is bring some users to my application and I will pay you. So basically, you're promoting their application with your link, and when someone signs up to the application, you make money, and you can make $25 for every 90 people you invite. Coming to our third method is sharing sponsored content on the community tab. I mean, content creators on YouTube that produce long videos, they mention their sponsors in the videos, but with YouTube Shorts you only have 60 seconds, so you can't find the time to mention them. Maybe you can, I don't know. So that's why we're gonna share them on the community tab. And since you can get millions of views with YouTube Shorts, and that is when you reach that level, you can demand large sums of money for a sponsorship. And if you're wondering that they won't pay you for a community tab post, that because you won't get engagement there, if you check again the channel that we saw earlier, this channel that gets millions of views with YouTube Shorts still gets thousands of likes on the community posts, which that's only likes that we're talking about right now, because some people might not like the post but just see it. So we can understand that a lot of people sees the community tab posts. Method 4 is making money with the YouTube Shorts Fund. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a 100,000 million prize pool made by YouTube to support the content creators that share short videos. And this $100 million will be distributed to Shorts content creators. But recently, the YouTube CEO, Susan Wojcicki, it's a hard name, okay, said that they're developing a new monetization method for Shorts videos, in addition to the $100 million prize pool. We don't know the details, but when we do, I can make a Shorts video about it. Finally, I would like to give you a bonus method. This is to share long-form videos on your channel in addition to Shorts videos. Now you might wonder why. Actually, the logic is quite simple. We can reach millions of people with YouTube Shorts, but we can't actually make any money with it. However, if we publish long-form videos on our channel, in addition to our Shorts videos, some of these millions of people will go to our channel, subscribe to our channel, and if they see long-form videos, it's most likely for them to watch that video too, or those videos. And just like that, we can earn, normally, ad revenue. We can have ad revenue from our YouTube channel. You can think of it as Shorts videos to reach people, and long-form videos for income. Frankly, I think affiliate marketing is a great way to make money, and we can think of it as a passive income. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I suggest you watch that video. In that video, I talk about affiliate marketing. So, see you again in that video. Bye bye.